Let us solve two problems on finding equivalent resistance. So first consider this. Okay, we have to find RAB. That is nothing but the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B. So in this case, you can see if in the circuit, what happens if the current starts flowing here, it gets divided here, right? It has three paths to flow now. So if it has multiple paths to flow, then we say that as a parallel combination. So this will be the parallel combination. Now the current is flowing here, so once again it starts to divide. Okay, again this is the parallel combination. So let us find the equivalent resistance of this particular thing. Okay, so that will be equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to, let me consider this as 1 by R equivalent 1. Okay, so here it is like LCM will be equal to 12. So 1 by 3 into 12 divided, okay, that is, if it is like 12, I will consider denominator 12. Okay, so then what happens, it will be 4, right? Into 4, then only I will get denominator as 12. So 4 plus here 3 plus 3, so it will be 7 plus 3, 10 divided by 12. So this is nothing but 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So it is 5 by 6. So R equivalent 1, that will be equal to 6 by 5 ohms. R equivalent 1 will be 6 by 5 ohms. So this is 6 by 5. Now this can be written like this, right? 6 by 5, this is 2. That means now these two are in series. So it is 2 plus 6 by 5. That will be equal to 16 by 5. Okay, so this will be 16 by 5. This I can consider as R equivalent 2. Now I will consider this one. 5 ohm and 6 ohm are in series because here there is no division of current. So 5 plus 6 R equivalent 3. 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11 ohms. And now this is the last one, that is 7 ohms. Now this is the parallel combination, as I said. Now this is nothing but it is 16 by 5. This is 11 ohms and 7 ohms. So now I will find 1 by R equivalent 4, that is equal to 1 divided by 16 by 5. That is nothing but 5 by 16. Next it is plus 1 divided by 11. Next you have 1 divided by 7. Okay, then you find R equivalent 4 from this. Okay, if you solve it, you will get 1.8304 ohms. Okay, this is equivalent resistance of this particular part. That is R equivalent is equal to, that is I will consider 5, that is equal to 1.8304 ohms. Okay, this one. Now that is in series with 1 ohm. So it will be plus 1. So that is equal to 2.8304 ohms. Okay, 2.8304 ohms. So now let us consider this. Okay, so here it is finding RAB, that is equivalent resistance between two terminals A and B. So this is your A and this is B. Can I call these nodes as B? Yes, I can call them as B. Why? Because there is no resistor in between. Okay, so all are at same potentials. Okay, so we can consider this as B. And this one also I can call it as A. Now I will consider this. Okay, this is the point C. If I consider in between B and C, I have two resistors. That means it's a parallel combination because you can see if there is a current flow from this side, it divides, right? So this is a parallel combination. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20, that is equal to, we can also consider formula R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 when two resistors are in parallel. So this can be written as 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20. So this can be written as 12 ohms. Okay, so this is 12 ohms. Now I will replace that. Okay, so see, this is 12 ohms. Here we have 8 ohms. Then we have 10 ohms. This is the terminal. Then you have C. This we can see it is in between A and B. See, if the current flows, the same current flows through 4 and 2 ohm. So this will be in series. I can consider it as 4 plus 2, 6 ohms. So see here, this is in between A and B. This is in between A and B. That means here also there is no division of current. So this 12 and 8 ohm can be considered as a resistance in series. So 12 plus 8, that is 20 ohms. Now I will write this as 20 ohms. All these three resistors are connected in between A and B. That means the current divides here. So current divides means it will be parallel. So I will consider 1 by RAB, that is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 6. So taking the LCM here, what will be the LCM? So it is 10 to the 23 is a 60. So 60 it is here. Then you can consider this as 3 plus 6 plus 10. So RAB will be equal to 60 divided by 19. Okay. So this is almost 3.157 ohms. That will be your RAB. Okay. So this is the equivalent resistance.